My name is Gunnery Sergeant Jack Potts. I'm in charge of cooking and food service logistics at Ice Camp. So beyond the challenges of extreme freezing temperatures, the ability to prevent foodborne illness will always be paramount. Here at ICEX, we also implement a mixture of environmental friendly cleaners that we hope to ensure that the habitat will be the same shape when we leave it. Food logistics is basically the ability to forecast the right amount of equipment and food calories throughout the operation while not exhausting any important resources. Here we use a military-grade multi-fuel burner. This burner will power our ration heaters, our ovens, and our grill. This gave us the capability of easily cooking fresh food and to do it safely.